Hello, I'm Alex Eagle, the Master of Runes. I will ask the runes what you can do to achieve your current goal or solve your current problem. Also, in the end of the video, I will give you a personal rune for you, for your success, and I will tell you how you can use it. Keep in mind, this is a general reading, so not everything will resonate personally with you. Now, what this reading is about? This reading is about your strength and your power. Your ability to be balanced, your ability to stand your ground, and your ability to be unfazed by external circumstances or random events of the destiny. So as you are standing strong as a strong and tall tree, no matter what the weather, now how do you achieve what you actually want? Reversed rune of Taivas, so rune of warrior, the energy of warrior, strength, discipline and self-sacrifice, but in a reversed position, it means that you need to rely less on your warrior qualities, rely less on your assertiveness, on your aggression, perhaps even violence. Rely less on violence, rely less on your external strength to build your inner strength. Understand that the strength and assertive, the warrior actions, those you perform in the external world, those are not the goal. The goal is to build the inner strength. Then your power will naturally manifest in the external world. So if you are trying to force yourself to be strong, thinking that it will make you better, perhaps try a different angle by not forcing yourself, but by understanding why you actually need to exert strength. And firstly, exert strength over yourself and over your inner world. Then that will naturally manifest as power into the external world. Now, how do you achieve what you want? So rune Thurisas, rune of the thunder, rune of a focused effort in a reversed position. Again, it's a second confirmation that you need less assertive, less aggressive energy. An idea comes to my mind that winning the war by not fighting. So if you are forced to fight, have already lost. So how can you be smarter and wiser to avoid the necessity to exert force? For that, you have to analyze the situations in your life where you were forced to exert force, exert assertion and strength, and think on a higher level when this situation arises, what you could done differently to avoid this situation completely. Doesn't mean you have to lose. It will be a win, but on a completely different level that even eliminates the need for strength, that eliminates the need for external strength. That is the true win for you. So the personal rune for you will be the rune Hagalas, the rune of transformation, a rune of cleansing, rune of refreshing yourself and your energies by removing something old from yourself, something that is no longer needed. So this reading is pretty consistent, gives off the vibes of perhaps some anger problems, something like that. And to get to the root of the problem, the source and the root of the anger must be analyzed. Anger is your natural reaction, situations when you think you have to defend yourself, your life, your sanity and your soul. But anger always arises when there is a lack of wisdom, when there is a lack of understanding of the situation and of what is actually happening. You have to raise your wisdom to such a level that you will be able to clearly see the situation. Then there will be no place for anger, there will always be wisdom and clarity and complete understanding of how to act to ensure your victory without confrontation. So the suggested personal rune is the rune Haglas, is the rune of cleansing. So perhaps try to consider how you can cleanse yourself, cleanse your energies, cleanse your life. That can be also just a a general cleansing in your living space, a magical cleansing of your living space and of yourself. And for that you can use the rune Hagelas directly by drawing it on the left side of your body or by visualizing it. But keep in mind that such transformation cleansing often comes through a period of discomfort, and that is completely natural. If you want to step into the next level of your evolution, you should expect and deal with discomfort. Thank you for your attention, and I wish you the best of luck.